What is your obsession with micheladas?
Well, you know, like when we went to the bar a couple weeks ago and we ordered that one that was just so horribly bad. Like, I knew I could do a better job, and so I've been working on it for a couple weeks now.
So you're trying to save the world from bad micheladas?
Yeah.
Been writing anything down of what you're making?
Okay, I think I got it. You gotta just try.
Oh, wow. That's something.
Yeah. The only way to really know if this is the world's best michelada mix is if we try it in a beer.
Okay, go for it. Let's try this out.
This is it. This is the perfect michelada mix.
Wow.
I knew I could do it. We just now need to share this with the world and save them from subpar micheladas.
So you're gonna be like a michelada superhero.
You could just call me Michelada Man, and you can be my Bloody Mary.
Sounds kind of scary.